Hi, my name's Ian Kent. I am an electrical apprentice here at Wolf Industries. I started here as an intern, actually, through a government program through my school. And then I was able to get recruited, start on the siding team here, and later was able to get into the electrical. And I started here in the shop, doing all the roofing, and was able to go to wiring. And now I work for the field service and doing electrical there, wiring services and getting power to houses. So I'm actually working in the shop this week, and right now we're wiring a ceiling. We actually lay it on the floor and are able to wire it at our feet without getting up on a ladder, and wiring it over our heads actually makes it a lot easier and simpler for us, not having to go around people. We have our workspace all to ourselves. Nobody really messes with us, and it's able to get done in record speed, actually. So some of the things I enjoy about Wolf is the freedom. A lot of people here want to just change things up. They want to try something else within the company, and they're able to do that. We're able to bring in people that have no experience in this field and train them to become whatever they want to try out. And I think that's really cool. I really appreciate our core values also. I think it just makes the company a lot stronger. It makes it fun to be here and enjoyable with all the coworkers we have. We have a lot of great people here. And I think the core values really reflect in the people here. And I think that's great. Wolf's actually very different from most companies. When people come here, you know, this is my first job, so I've never been anywhere else, but I hear what other companies have, and it's just not the same that what we have here. People just appreciate working here much more than in other places they've been, and it's pretty crazy. So a fun fact about me is actually that I can't swim, which is kind of embarrassing living here. So my favorite hobbies are hiking, fishing, and I like working on old cars. Just working on automotive in general is just a fun hobby that I have. And then my favorite quote would have to be 1 Peter 5:7, casting all your cares upon him, for he cares for you, is something that I like to think about. So if you're interested in working at Wolf Industries, click the link right here and come join. Thanks for taking the time to learn more about me and the team. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Okay, you guys are gonna edit it, right, too? So.
No, not
But,
at all.
okay.
Go straight through the whole way.
Straight through the whole way.
It's already going. So this is
Okay,
This is,
sweet.
This is the intro.
Okay.